How to create shop on Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can create shop on Facebook page. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Facebook and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now you have to switch to your Facebook page. Now once you get in your Facebook page and you land on your page, now navigate to your left hand side. There is this menu bar, and there under more tools and under leads center there is an option as Meta Business Suite. So click on it. That's gonna take you to next page, and again here navigate to your left hand side and there are options here. So click on all tools. Now click on the search bar. It says search all tools for keywords. Here you have to search for commerce. COMMERCE, and here it says sell products and services. So click on this commerce option. Again you will be taken to next page. Now to create a shop, click on get started. Then there's the two option that says create a shop or create a catalog. Since we want to create a shop, so click on the first option that says create a shop and then click on get started. So make sure to read this information given to you and then click on next. Now you have to choose a partner platform. If you don't have any, you can simply choose the first one and then click on next. Now from this drop down box you have to select your country. Click on this drop down box and select your country. But if the shop is not available in your selected country, you won't be able to press it further. Here it says shop is not available in your selected country. You can still create a catalog to start running ads. So since this is not available in my country, I won't be able to press it further. But if that's available in your country, there are 3 more steps that you have to perform to create a shop. The next one, you have to choose a checkout method. And again on the next one, you have to choose your sales channel and you have to preview, and once you're done with that, you will be able to create shop in your page. So once you follow all this screen instruction, you will have a shop in your page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on next video.